Hello, welcome back again. And this time it's a bit longer, but it's gonna help you a lot on figuring out how to find the inflation rate and the CPI. Okay, CPI meaning Consumer Produce Index. But here's the types of inflations. Make sure to remember that, because when we're gonna solve for the IR, aka inflation rate, we have to find what the type of inflation it is. Moderate is 2 to 3%, walking is 3 to 10%, galloping is 10 to 49%, and hyperinflation is 50% or more. Okay, just wait, I forgot to place the number. Okay, so I got, okay, you can use calculator for this because there's a lot of divisions. So right. Okay, we got 50 and 40 for our for how many people buy pencils and notebooks in a year. So we're gonna find the basket price first. Okay, for basket price we have to multiply how much people buy in a year by by the price. We can use calcu. So we have 5 pesos times 50 plus 10 times 40 equals, so we have to multiply them first. So 5 times 50, 250 pesos plus 10 times 40, 400 plus 400 pesos. We add them together to get our final answer of 650 pesos as our basket price. Or you can do the simpler way, because 0 you don't have to put. Okay, now we have 6 times 50. I'm going for the simpler route so I don't have to waste that much paper. Plus 12 times 40 equals, or 6 times 50. It's 300 plus 12 times 40. 480. 480 equals, what is, we add them both together is 780 pesos. Don't forget about the pesos part. So it's 780.00 pesos. So it's 7 times 50 plus 15 times 40. Okay, we multiply them first before we add. So 7 times 50, 350. 350 plus 15 times 40, 600. 600 equals 950.00 pesos. And that's how we get our basket price. To find CPI, we get the base year of 2003 and we divide it. Yeah, it's basically almost the same. So So CPI is equal to 650 divided by 650 times 100 is equal to 100. So our CPI for 2003 is 100, because if we divide these two, then we multiply it by 100, is 100, because 650 divided by 650 is 1, and then we add 100 times 100 is 100. For 2004 is 780 divided by 650. 780 divided by 650 is 1.2 times 100 is 120. 780 divided by 650, yeah, it's 120. For 2005 is 950 divided by 650. 950 divided by 650 times 100 is times 100 equals to 146.15. You see here, we only end at these two, okay? And we have to round off if this is more than, if this first number is more than 5. Since it's not, it's 146. It's 146.15. That's our answer. To get our inflation rate is kind of different, but we get our CPI, so we have to, okay, it's 100 minus 120 divided by 100 times 100. So 100 minus 20 is 20. 20 divided by 100 is 0.2 times 100 is 20. Is 20. 20%. 20%. This becomes 20. Now we divide it by 100 is equal to 0.2. Now we have to multiply it by 100. That gives us 20. That's how I got the answer. And that's how you do it. And to find the other ones is like this, 120. And now we move to the next year. So it's 120 minus 146.15 divided by 120 times 100. So 120, no, it's 146.15 minus 120 is 26.15. 26.15, and now we have to divide it by 120. 26.15 divided by 120 divided by 120 is 0.21 times 100. Right now, we times that by 100 is 21.79, and that's how we got our answer of 21.79 percent. That's 0%. The IR for the base year is always 0%, so it's 20% and 21.79%. To explain more about the IR is basically we get the CPI of 2003, we minus it by 2004 while getting the answer of it and dividing it by 2003. Here, you can understand it more like this. It's basically we minus and multiply by the CPI of this, and we have to minus multiply the CPI of this to get the IR. And yeah, and then the types of inflation is this one we don't know really, because there's no inflation for 0%, but for 20 to from 2004 and 2005 is galloping inflation because it's in within the range of 10 to 49%. Here you can screenshot it so you can understand it more.